You're gonna want to do this.
Oh, God!
I told you!
Good evening. You'll not touch my monsters! They will touch you.
Folks are dying to get into the Baxter Avenue Morgue, and quite frankly, so are we. This is actually the very first haunt that I had ever been to, and tonight we're gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Come on in, ladies and gentlemen, come on in, all the way down. Let's get nice and cozy, nice and cozy.
Hell yeah.
Wait right here, your host will be right with you.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna want to do this.
This is so...
You're gonna want to do this.
Oh, God!
I told you! Hold on to me. You gotta see.
Wait.
Holy shoot! Where did you come from?
Good evening. I am Dr. Silence! I am Dr. Vanderdog. Welcome to my workshop. Failure to comply with any of these rules will result in being embalmed alive. Am I understood?
Yes.
This is a maze. You must move forward at all times. If you turn around, you will become lost, and frankly, I don't care. There are many areas of low clearance throughout, so the taller among you will want to watch your heads. If your journey through my workshop proves to be more than you can bear, there are multiple exits located throughout. They will always be on your left and appropriately marked by yellow chickens. However, use of these doors comes at a price. Eternal shame and humiliation from your friends and loved ones. Finally, and most importantly, no matter what you see, no matter what you hear, no matter what happens to you, and you will not touch my monsters!
Okay.
They will touch you. Come!
Go, Ethan.
Right this way, ladies and gentlemen, right this way.
You,
Oh, yes.
go up to the door and knock.
Okay.
Knock.
Like you mean it!
That was a no!
Did you see that?
Something was back there!
Something was back here. Oh, no.
Oh, God.
There's hanging from the ceiling. Uh-oh. Holy crap, that one was real.
Holy shit.
Oh, no.
What's on his face?
I don't
What's on
know.
his face?
It's probably not his.
It's great.
Oh my God.
Oh my! What is that?
That's one of the Slipknot members.
It's like a demon of the darkness or something. Oh! You never know.
I would have shit my pants. Holy
This
crap.
is creep. Oh! I
I
don't
like
know.
your artwork, man.
Yep, it's beautiful.
Real big admirer.
I think he made literal skin pants. Do we film him?
Oh, he checked the time. I don't know what that means.
It means we're late for something.
What the?
Oh my, where'd he go? Why is that one back? What is that? I don't like it. Oh God, why? No.
Oh, there's someone touching me. Oh,
Oh, they're touching Seance. These are real stories too.
oh my God, that's
Oh no.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I see somebody. I don't know if they're real or not. Oh, there's all kinds of sounds all over.
Hey,
Like
this
this.
guy.
Oh,
So cool.
oh my God. Oh, whoa. Big nope. Nope. That's a big nope. I have nothing for you.
Oh, no, I'm good.
I have
Thank
nothing you
you.
need.
Thank you.
Sam,
Thank you so much. I'm good.
There's something in the corner.
He's running away.
Oh God, was it him? Oh, what is he doing? Why is he looking at you like that, Ethan? Why is he looking at you like that?
He just leaves.
I think he's a murderer hiding out in the morgue.
And he's gone.
He's leading us somewhere.
He's leading us to get chopped up.
Whoa, that's wicked.
That is weird.
That's wicked.
What are you doing in there?
I feel like this guy right now.
Oh God, oh God.
He's speaking in tongues. Oh, she's got me.
What's he saying, Sam?
Oh gosh.
Oh, that thing is creepy. Is he still back there? Oh, yep.
From the cows.
He's waking them up.
I'm being followed by a scary man. Please proceed.
Oh God, Ethan, what's that?
Oh no.
No!
Oh.
Oh, he's on the wall.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Who? Oh my God, he's way up in the air. Oh my God, you were sneaky. Oh God. What are those? There's more.
Excuse me, nice sir. Sorry.
I think we're in
You
the
guys are lovely. Thank
we're in
you.
the house. Oh my God.
God, what is that?
I don't know, it's furry.
What is it?
It's furry.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh my God, it's behind me.
What
Holy
is
shit.
it? Oh my.
Show this to a cemetery.
What have we got here?
We don't know. What have you got?
Oh my God, this is sick.
You got any vacant ones?
We
I'm
could
kind of
hide.
trying to.
So we could hide in the coffin.
Is it going up here tonight?
Not it.
Not it.
Nose goes.
Nope, nose
He's
goes.
fighting at us.
Nose goes.
Somebody's laughing over there.
We're not.
What is that?
Oh,
Oh my God, they're both after Ethan. Oh God, what is that? Ah! What's
No, no!
I see you.
it's still behind me if we can walk faster.
Ethan, Sam says we gotta walk faster.
They're behind. Uh-oh.
Oh my God, oh my God.
What in the world?
Go away!
Freaking broom.
Stop!
Who is it? Oh, it's that one. Oh God. Okay, that is definitely a mannequin. Oh. Not that one again. It's got
What
claws.
the hell is
It's
this?
got claws. It has big claws. There's one up there.
That's looking real tempting.
Oh shit!
God damn.
Oh, you gotta kill them all. I don't like that at all.
Oh
Ew.
God.
Oh no. Freaking pig again. Stay alive. He said we never
No! Man, I got so fucked with a chainsaw last night.
I hear it. I hear it.
I hear
Come
something.
right out of this.
They're still coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Holy crap, guys. So that was the Baxter Avenue Morgue down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let me know what you thought. If you want to see more haunted houses like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want some exclusive content, consider becoming a member here on the channel. And to find more haunted houses around Kentucky, visit our website, thescarefactor.com. While you're there, sign up for our Haunt Advisor newsletter. That's where we'll send you all of our updates. And if you're out late driving to haunts like we are, try some FrankenFuel. That's a horror-themed energy drink, and you can save 15% using our code. And if you liked this video, I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.